Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did with my tea lights to make them look a little nicer, but you're going to be surprised, get down, when I turn the lights back on and talk to you about these. Okay, so that probably looks a little bit familiar, right? That's what this is. Hot glue and a toilet paper roll. And I'll explain what that big gob is for here in a minute, okay? But, move that one out of the way. You're going to get inside. One of my favorite paints, Rust-Oleum Hammered Finish in black. Okay, this is the paint that I bought at Walmart that I used on the tea lights. And that is why the big glob of glue is in there. You could possibly just run like a toothpick or something in there to help hold your light up. But I just took a big glob of glue. And then I just paint. And I use the metallic paint just because I kind of used a metallic paint on these. So I hot glued them and then I sprayed them with spray paint. But this one and these, once they dried, I felt like they weren't as drippy as I wanted them to be. So I came back in and on top of the hot glue that was already painted, I added more hot glue on using my gun, and then went back out and spray painted it one more time. Because I really wanted that big, drippy effect. And in this case, if like I got a couple of strings and things, it's okay, because it actually makes it. But that's the hammered finish. It's, you know, it's got kind of a metallic look to it. So, there you go. Easy peasy. And it doesn't look like much during the day with the lights on, but when it's sitting on top of the fireplace or wherever I choose to put them, it's going to look really good. There we go. Looks really good. I don't know. I'm not sure I love it with the jar I turned on next to it, but I could move them to a little further down on the fireplace and they'll be fine. But they turned out really, really, really well. I'm really happy with them. Yeah, it was a quick, easy few minutes. I already owned the paint. I already owned both paints, the metallic and the spray paint. I already owned the tea lights. I had bought a huge box of them last year when Ed and I renewed our wedding vows. And I had one toilet paper roll and two paper towel rolls, and I cut the paper towel rolls and of course used the toilet paper rolls. So that's it, guys. Quick and easy peasy. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Something quick, easy, you could do with the kids. You could brush the paint on if you don't have paint. You could go to Walmart and buy the 96-cent stuff. Of course, everything's $1. Dollar General usually has craft paint. Walmart sells them for 50 cents. The metallic at Walmart was a little over $1 though. So there you go. Have a wonderful day. Bye.